Hey everybody, it's Ed Johnson with Boyle Energy, your local heating, cool, and comfort specialist. I'm reaching out to you today to talk about the importance of having your air filter changed in your forced air or air conditioning system. There are several reasons why I recommend having this taken care of. Number one would be the most obvious, I think, which is, it collects all the dirt and dust particles that float around in our air. With being locked in right now, I know my kids are back in and out of the backyard all the time, bringing stuff in with them. And when I changed mine the other day, I realized how long it had been since I had done so, and also realized why I should have this video. So, that's the most important, I think. But secondly, is the efficiency of your system. The freer that air filter is, the easier everything works, and of course, the less money it costs to run your system. Allowing us to keep more of that money in our pockets and in our own banks rather than PECOs. And of course, number three is the longevity of our equipment. Having that air filter free, again, allows the air to pass through the system freely, allowing everything to work without too much stress. Forced air systems and air conditioning systems run with something called static pressure, which is sort of equivalent to the blood pressure in our body. A dirty filter would act as like a blockage in your vein, making everything work harder, and then of course not lasting as long. So, whatever we can do to get our systems to last as long as they can, I think we should. We all think that, of course, our system should last forever. However, we know that's not the case. Generally, we're seeing between 15 and 20 years. So if you haven't had your filter changed, I recommend you give us a shout, 610-446-2444. We can get you scheduled. I understand right now may not be the best time to have somebody in your home, or maybe you're uncomfortable with that, and that's okay. We can schedule this for next month or the following. We have so many positions available for maintenances, and as we get closer to the season, those positions fill up. And if you want to have this done prior to the season, I believe you should do so now. All right, thank you. Have a great day.